Your thoughts on the sponsored cycle achievements? So,
Truly impressed with it, how well you've done so far. I mean, I've used it. Catch you at the next one. Riders. I saw you with the tacks throwing them down behind you. Gonna miss the shot. Ah! They will in fact come down this road. Yeah, that sounds confident.
Market Bosworth.
Somewhere between somewhere and somewhere else. From that direction.
nice rainbow to arrive.